Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, قل أغير الله أتخذ وليا فاتر السماوات والأرض وهو يطعم ولا يطعم قل إني أمرت أن أكون أول من أسلم ولا تكونن من المشركين. Translation: Say, should I take as my guardian other than Allah, the creator of the heavens and earth, while He is who feeds all and He is not fed? Say, I have been commanded to be the first among you who submit to Him as Muslims, and not to be among the polytheists or idolaters. The polytheists of Mecca wanted the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that he would leave his deen and join their deen, and they were the idol worshippers. And that was not a new demand. Previous nations also demanded things like that with their prophets, and the prophets always rejected their demands. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that tell these people that should I make my friend anyone other than Allah? How can it be possible? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of the skies and the earth, and He feeds everyone, and He is not fed by anyone. In this, there is a warning to the polytheists that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the creator of everything, is worthy of worship, and those who has not created anything cannot be associated with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The things that are created, how can they be worshipped? Because God has created everything, and He is the only one worthy of worshipping. They have strayed from the straight path, and they were calling Prophet Muhammad ﷺ towards their dark path, and Prophet Muhammad ﷺ rejected their call. Also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Raziq, and He feeds everyone, and no one feeds Him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes care of all the needs of His creation, and He is worthy of worship. Those who depend on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for their needs, how can they be worshipped? Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that say that I have been ordered that I become the first among those who submit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as Muslims, not to be among the polytheists or idolaters. So I will never become a polytheist or idolater, and I will always remain on the Tawheed. And you should also leave this polytheism and join Islam and come towards Tawheed. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who have pure Tawheed in their hearts, and save us from any hint of polytheism. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.